Welcome to the daily message for today. I'm continuing my kind of rehashing, if you will, of some of the points that I made in my recent short series on first century Israel, on Israel at the time of Jesus. And today I want to say just a few words about the Roman Emperor Caesar Augustus. His given name was Octavian, but in 31 BC, after he defeated Cleopatra and Mark Antony, he put an end to the Roman Republic and declared himself to be the emperor. But not only did Caesar Augustus declare himself to be emperor, he also declared himself to be a god. And so there were several titles given to him that affirmed his divinity. Here were some of them: Son of God, God from God, Lord, Redeemer, Liberator, Savior of the world, Prince of Peace. And so Augustus, Caesar, and the Roman people in general came to believe that the emperor was God incarnate, God in the flesh. Now, think of that in light of what the gospel writers affirm about Jesus. They make the very same affirmations about this peasant preacher from the hill country of Galilee, that he is the real Son of God. He is the true liberator, the redeemer, the Prince of Peace, the Savior of the world, that it is Jesus who is God in the flesh. There are people in our day who, while they don't declare themselves to be gods, claim all power. They claim to be more powerful than they really are. And I think in light of that, we need to keep our eyes focused and our minds focused on who truly is the powerful one in our midst, that we are disciples of Jesus, the Lord, who truly is God among us, who truly is our Savior and our Prince of Peace. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.